All right, good evening, my beautiful YouTube family. You guys, my Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Box bag is in. And of course, here is the cute little Z palette that I got from them a while back. And as you all know, I've just been adding my shades to it as we go. I've got the ones out tonight that I used for you guys, and I'll play the makeup look here in just a minute. Tell you a little bit about the cutie bag. It is $12 monthly. You receive one eyeshadow, a lippy, a nail polish, and one mystery item. You never know what that mystery item's gonna be. But this month, a little something different happened, and I received an email telling me exactly like all of the choices that we could have had, a little bit about each one of them, and a sneak peek into what the mystery item is. And I really like that, you guys. You know, sometimes I forget which ones, like which choices we had, and I'm like, oh, you know, I wish I would have got that one or whatever. So I actually enjoyed that, and I like the sneak peek into the mystery item because, well, I'm not going to tell you. Y'all know what to do. I'll see you soon, and we'll find out about the mystery item and everything else I got in the Copacetic Cosmetics little cutie box. Wasn't that such an easy look to do? I mean, that literally took 5 minutes to get done. So here is our shade for this month. It is Grilled Corn. That is the one that I chose. The theme for this month is called Soul Food. Soul Food. Yeah, your girl always gets a little tongue-tied. We all know that here. This is a matte yellow, and as you guys seen, it performed very well. I did use the MTU NYC eye primer. This is a new eye primer I'm using, and it actually performed really well also with these. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little swatch with you guys just so you can see how pigmented it is without the eye primer. Right here on my dark skin. That is just a matte. Just a one little swap, bop. There you go. And there it is. Like, y'all, I love Olivia's. I just dropped my mirror. Not a video, Sunny, don't drop something. I love Miss Olivia's eyeshadows. I have never received one I do not like at all. The shade that I used for my outer corner is called Tornado Watch. It is a shimmery dark green and gray in between. The first shadow that I bought on my own without being in the cutie box or anything, because I wanted to get a shade that would go with any shade that I received in the cutie box. This has worked phenomenally for that. And then I used last month's shade, or was this last month? This was either last month or this one was. No, this was last month's shade. It is called Confused Ray. That is what I used on my inner corner here. Just a beautiful lilac-y shade. It's a shimmer. And then this one here is called Low Mass Star, and it was the month before, and it is the shimmery yellow that I have on my brow bone and right there on my eyelid. So that's the shades I used, and I did put a little bit of the mystery item that I had received. I think it was last month's box. And this is a highlighter in 151. This is a gorgeous, y'all. This very little. I mean, look at that. Ba-bam. Yeah. Yeah. I put it on, and I have to tone it down every single time. I love it. So let me get these gorgeous shadows out of the way, get this finger cleaned up here, because the lipstick that I chose is called Barbecue. Yes, it's a barbecue. And it's a matte, you guys. It's a matte. Now, this is a buildable dark brown shade, but it looks like it has like a blue undertone to it. And it looks pretty darn neat. I mean, I can add more to it and build it up to make it even more pigmented. I kind of like it like this, so I'm going to leave it like this. I will do a little swatch for you guys right beside that freaking yellow, the corn shade. Like, it's gorgeous. Look at that. You see the little blue shifting right there? That is phenomenal. The other thing that I enjoyed about the email that they sent that had our choices and everything on there was the ingredients to all of the eyeshadows was listed down below with the eyeshadows. So all of her stuff is handmade. And I love that she shows her ingredients. Kind of a in-your-face, yeah, I make my own shit, y'all. Here's my ingredients. I like that. There's a little bit of controversy about that last year, so I really enjoy that she does that. I like that a lot. Okay, guys. The also new thing that is in the bag this month is this. This says, your kitty bag has arrived, and it tells us to remember we can do reviews on her site, and we can earn beauty rewards. Kind of like, you know, reward points that you can use toward her products. I always forget about doing that, you guys. I do. I need to start doing it. I probably will get on her site this evening after I spend a little time with Noah and review everything that I have received, because y'all know I love their shadows. Love them. So that is also the new thing that is in this month's cutie bag. Again, it's just $12 a month, you guys. So the nail polish that I got here, let me see if I can read the shade, because y'all, you know, my girl just don't remember nothing. This is called Charcoal. Look at that deep, deep red. That is just stunning. So I'm going to do a little swatch on the back of a piece of paper because I have hot pink on right now. So the next time that I do my fingernails, just like I did last month, I will post multiple pictures on Instagram about it. Let's just do a little swatch. Oh yeah, she is a deep, dark, blood red. It looks like she's got a little bit of purple undertone to her. That is going to be stunning. Oh. Okay, as soon as I get time, I'll be redoing my nails. That is like one of my most favorite colors is the deep dark reds, as you all know. So this is, again, the shade Charcoal. Very pretty. It's not glittery, you guys. Yeah. All right, loves. Now we're into the mystery item. You could have gotten two different mystery items. You could have got this pearl droplet. It's a hydrator. You could have gotten that from them. which, as I stated in that little email, it has nothing to do with the theme of the soul food this month. Or you could have got what I got. This is called Sweet and Smoky. Now, this is supposed to like have hints of sweet tobacco and barbecue and like woodsy. Just, I'm gonna try it, y'all. Y'all know how my asthma is and how my allergies are, so I'm gonna spray it out here and see what we think about it. I didn't even know that they made perfumes. Now we know. So let's do this, guys. Ooh. Oh, strong. Kind of spilled out on my finger a little bit when I was pumping. There it went. I smell lemony. Some kind of fell out on my hand. That is, okay, that must be the sweet tobacco that I'm smelling. You know, you say tobacco and people are like, oh, why would you want to smell like tobacco? There's a huge difference, you guys. It's a real sweet smelling, like, oh, kind of like a caramel type of smell. It smells wonderful, you guys. Oh, that smells so good. I'm going to leave this here on my desk with my lip treatment that I use every single night. That smelled phenomenal. So, you guys, that is the end of the Copacetic Cutie Box for the month of June. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the makeup look. I will leave my link to Copacetic Cosmetics down in the description for you below. Oh, and I'll leave the link to MTU NYC's eye primer down below in the description for you too. I'm really enjoying Copacetic Cosmetics a lot. She also has a nail polish subscription too, if you're interested in that. Now, she does have a lot of glitter polishes, and for those that know how to apply glitter polish, they work phenomenal. Apply it to a sponge, put your latex, glue, Vaseline, whatever you choose around your nail, paint the glitter glitter nail polish on a sponge, and then dab it. That way you're not doing layer upon layer upon layer of trying to get that, you know, exact opaque color of glitter that you want on there. Sponges work so much better, you guys, so much better. And then the orange one, Fire Spin, I think it was called, that I used last month, I loved that shade. They're up on Instagram for you guys. So, you know, wonderful lipsticks. Dries down, completely matte. Your girl is ecstatic about that. I love their eyeshadows. And I figured out, you guys, it's the first Tuesday of every month. You get $2 eyeshadows. Some of them are maybe from a new collection. Some might be from an old collection. But every first Tuesday of the month, she does her $2 eyeshadows. I finally got it figured out, y'all. All right, loves. That's all for our Copacetic June Cutie Box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful eye look that I got done. Absolutely gorgeous. Y'all know that I battle using yellows, so I thoroughly enjoy when I get a yellow that I don't have to apply layer upon layer upon layer to get it to show up. And I didn't with this one, you guys. You watched me do it. Just dab, 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 and then blend. That's all I did. That's all. Little 5-minute look. Turned out pretty gosh darn gorgeous, I think. All right, loves. That is all. I'll see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to check out the description box below and make sure y'all are subscribed. Bye, guys.